Hey, thanks for tuning in to the Dyeverse Designs special thank you edition. Got a special close-up magic trick. I've done close-up magic for over 30 years. Got a real special trick to say thank you for 100 views and for all those who supported me in my first sale this past weekend. It's a trick I promise will put a smile on your face, positive energy in your heart. I guarantee you'll be thinking about it for days. Come on in, check it out. So special thanks to everyone who came out, made my first sale an absolute hit. Even better than the 40 pieces that I sold in 4 hours were the incredible number of great and just positive energy people I got to meet. It was an absolute blessed day. Couldn't ask for anything better. So as I said, just to say a special thank you, I want to do one of my best close-up magic tricks to say thanks, and for all those who've been watching the videos, my extreme thanks. All those who bought shirts, I can't wait for you to enjoy the positive energy. So without any further ado, here is the close-up magic trick everybody wants to see again when I do my shows. I call it Rashid the limo driver. Enjoy. I took to New York. What? And I had a limo driver, and his name was Rashid. And we're gonna let this 6 of hearts represent my limo driver, Rashid, okay? If you would just cut the deck over for me. So Rashid picks me up, and I said, Rashid, I want to pick up the boys. And he said, no problem, just give me the address. Now the key to this is to watch a combination of my eyes and the cards, because I'm very seldom gonna look at the cards. So Rashid gets out of the car. Remember, that was Rashid. And we picked up the 4 boys. And of course I gave him a $2 tip. So we're driving around, we're having a good time. Eileen, if you'll go ahead and just cut these over for me. So we're driving around and we're having a good time. We're getting a little frisky, and I said, Rashid, we want to pick up the girls. And he said, no problem, just give me the address. And I did, and it was a little bit further to get to. But Rashid got out of the car and we picked up the 4 girls. As a matter of fact, it was 2 redheads and 2 brunettes. And of course I gave him another $2 tip. So we're driving around and we're having a good time. Monique, if you'll just kind of cut them over for me. So we're driving around, we're having a good time, and we want to get really crazy. And Rashid said, well, I know the best liquor store around. He said, I'll get you some great liquor. And he got out of the car and he found us 4 cases of Amstel Light. And of course I gave him another $2 tip. Sarah, if you'll go ahead and just cut those over for me. So, you know, we're drinking and driving, but drinking and driving's illegal. That's why we got Rashid the limo driver. I said, Rashid, we really want to get crazy. And he said, wait till you see this comedy club. He said, so he got out of the car, and it wasn't a very far drive from the liquor store. And he found us these 4 comedians, and funny enough, all their names were Jack. And of course I gave him another $2 tip. And I said, you know what, Rashid, you've been so good, I'm gonna throw in another 8 and make it an even 10. And then my 3 boys in the back each kicked in 10. And I said, Rashid, you're a young guy, what, about 33? And he goes, no, I'm 35. I said, wow. I said, do you have kids? He said, yeah, I got 7 kids, 4 boys and 3 girls. I said, oh my God, what do you do to have fun and relieve stress? He said, oh, I go to the 876 Club down on 51st Street. So I said, the 876 Club down on 54th Street. I said, I won 10 grand there playing poker one night. I said, the guy had 4 9s. He thought for sure he had me beat. But as anybody who plays poker knows, a straight flush beats 4 9s every time. And that's my story, Rashid. So, thanks again, everybody. I'm sure you enjoyed the trick, and I hope you enjoy it. Spread the word. You know, the trick's for everybody. I'm all about spreading positive energy, all about living for the better good of all. So please feel free to share it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Dyeverse Designs, signing out.